Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple Beats Pill and I'm going to show you how to charge your speaker using your phone. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to prepare your speaker, your phone and USB-C to C cable. First you have to plug in your cable into your speaker over there, and now into your phone. As you can see, our phone is charging, so we have to change it. We have to click our power button 3 times. That's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.